I've heard from crafters before who have almost given up on card making because they think it is so complicated, and then they find one of my videos and they decide they can do this. The project we're going to make today is super simple. Anyone can make this. It's a great way to use up some of your paper scraps. If you like to make more elaborate cards, it's a great base design that you can add to with some more detailed elements. Let's take a look at it. This absolutely beautiful paper pack I love. I had several leftover strips from it. I end up with these narrow strips from a lot of my projects. I don't know about you, but I thought it would be great to come up with some projects using some of these leftover strips. So here's the basic idea for today's projects. It's so simple. 3 strips across your card placed at an angle. Now we are going to do several different things with this design. We'll change it up several different ways, and you're going to see some neat ways that I have finished off these cards. So you want to attach the strips to your card and then cut the extra off. So depending on your preference, you can use glue, which gives you a little bit of wiggle room if you don't place it perfectly to start with, or if you want to, you can use tape, which is a little bit less messy. So each has pros and cons. So here's the basic idea, is just to add some kind of little decorative element over the top. Here I created all of the decorations for these cards today from this Stamp and Die bundle called Service Essentials. I thought this was fantastic to thank service people in various realms of our lives. So you're going to see several different ways I have used these, but I just stamped that, placed it on top. Really easy, right? This next one, we are going to do a little bit of stamping and some decoration as well. So I am using, these dies were all from the die set, of course, but I wanted to use this for like a paramedic or EMT worker. So I do need to add a greeting to this. Here's a fun way to finish off these cards, is to stamp at an angle. Stamp your greeting at an angle under those strips. Now you can see on this one, if you want to, you can add another piece of cardstock down here that covers the entire thing. So it looks like the bottom of the card is just a different color than the top. Or you can see I trimmed this one so there's a border around it. Several ideas for how you can change these up a little bit. Here is one that I am loving so far. And some of this paper I thought looked like camouflage. So I created, this is one of the dies that I love, that badge shape. And I thought this star would be nice really for anyone, for people in various areas of service. But just stamp that star on top. Thank you for your service. Our 4th card, I used the different shaped badge. And for this one, as you can see, I used more strips of cardstock. So you could continue this on your entire card if you want to. I just love the colors on this one. I thought this was fantastic. And I just decided to use the heart for this one. You make a difference. This could be used for anyone. Teachers, of course, come to mind, but anyone in any field. This is just a really nice greeting and nice design that's so easy to make. And if you want to, you can step it up. You could do some stamping in the background. You can add more detailed die cuts. You could add more layers. Just a really simple design that you can do a lot with. Thanks so much for watching along. If you want to hear my live chats, visit my other channel, Life with Anna Helman. I appreciate you, friends. I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.